Welcome back. In the designing of project for stock management system, we have completed with the creation of table, creation of form, queries, reports and main form, that is stock management system, in which we have integrated all the form, queries and reports. Now there may be a position that I need that there should be a one login system through which I can enter in the stock management system. So in this video we will learn how to create the login form. So it's very simple and we are using VBA here. So what we will do, I just go and first create a form, click on create, and I will create a blank form. I just created it and go to the design view. In design view I just give it a color. I am using here a label for username. I just give it as a username and another label for password. And I need some text box here. And one more text box here. I just need that when I enter a username admin and password 123, I am able to open the main form, that is this form. So in order to achieve this goal, I will put a button here. I just go to the properties, and in properties I will like to give this button a caption as OK. I am completed with the design of the form, and now I just go to the command button event. So I go and click on the event, and I just want that when in the text box I enter admin and in text box of password I enter admin 123, I am able to open the main form, for which I just go on click and write a procedure, that is go to the code builder and I will write some VBA code here. So as I assume that in MS Access you have completed with the part of VBA, so I am declaring two variables here, dim username, user as string, and I declare another variable dim pwd as string. I just want to store the value of this form control. The unbound this text box name is text2 and this text box name is text4. So just do one thing. I just do one thing. User equal to text2 dot value. So that value of text2 is stored in user, and for pwd equal to text4 dot value. So in this way I am able to store the value what I have entered in text2 and text4 respectively in the data type name, user and password. And here I just want to check that the string entered matches to my given parameter of admin and password. So I just use if and else statements. I write if user equal to admin and pwd equal to password 123, then do cmd dot open form. The name of the main form is main form, so I just write main, else I will write message box invalid username or password. So this is what we want to write it, and I will go for the and if. And if after statement I will just write and if. So I just want to save this, and now I go to my form design. I go to view form and I write admin, and I will write password 123 and press OK. So my main form is open. I just don't check it, I just write password only and press OK. You can see invalid username or password prompts come to my screen. So in this way I am able to design the login form and connect the login form to my main form, that is integrated form in which my username, reports, queries and tables are placed together. So this is the one way in which I can create a login form, and if you have a multiple user, you can connect this text box of admin and password to the table. So I am right now not explaining that way how I am going to do, but this is main way. This video I have created only for the purpose so that you can know that how we can create a login form. So we just give it a name and then we will run it. So I just give this form as login form. I hope so you are able to understand the concept of how we are working here. I am going to pass here admin password. So if you find this interesting, like and subscribe my video. Thank you very much.